Start na. Mga dahil tayo, maaga po. Luis. Intercepted. Nakakuha ni Mac. To Jason. Take it 2 points. GP. Andal. Number 4 sa Pag-asa. Nakakuha ni Pat. Rebound by Pat. Nasa kay Brad pero still by number 4. Labas, sayang, turnover, wala na, Team B. Team B yan. Team B. Kamukha kami sila, kamukha. Ay, misisin tupat, intercepted, pero bola na. Bola na ang Team E. 2-0 pa rin. Number 4. To San Andres, to number 8, take it 3. Sinubis pala yun. Rebound by number 9. Steal by number 5. Luby Paz, 2 points. Number 5. 4-0. Number 5. Sabi lang. 2 points. Number 0. Di ko na itay. Take it 3. Mga Kalipes. Ayan, sakto na yan. 7-2 lang naman i-score. Si Matt. 19 seconds to shoot. Wala. Rebound. Anep. Good. Foul. Foul down. 11 seconds. Shot clock na lang yan. 11 seconds. Labas na yan, ha? Labas na yan, ha? 7-2. So, to number 4. Take it 3. Wala. Steal by Mac. Take it 3. Still and rebound. Wala. Rebound by JP. Tupat sa ilalim. Block by Matt. What a block by Matt. To JP. Take it 3. Wala. Rebound ni. Wala. Wala na. JP. Score. 7-2. Luis. Take it 3. Wala. Rebound Nino. Rebound ni Mac. Cordova. Take it 2. Wala. Rebound ni Luis. 12 second shot clock. Luis tumira. Wala. 7 seconds. Pero nakuha ni JP. Paso number 5. To JP. Steal by Cordova. 7 minutes and 30. To number 4. Lucas, number 4, lumipad. Wala. Rebound ni Cordova. Cordova, wala. Rebound ni number 4. Block by JP. 8 seconds to shoot. Cordova, 2 points. Tumama. Out of bounds. Labas. Not counted. 7 minutes and 4 seconds. Luis. Spinning. 17 seconds to shoot. Steal. 2 points. Mac Kalipes. 9-2. 6 minutes and 48. Number 29. 29. Wala lang pero foul. Foul by Watt Lopez. Watt Lopez na naman. Graduate ka na. Number 4. Lumipad. Foul na naman. 13 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. 9-2 pa rin. Luis, take it 3. Luis Angeles. 9-5. 2 points. Mac Kalipes. 11-5. To San Andres. Take it 2. Wala. Rebound by Trinidad. 29. 14 seconds to shoot. To Luis na naman, take it 3. Wala. Rebound by 29. Tumira. Wala. Rebound ni Rivera. Nakauna na si Mac sa ilalim. 2 points. Mac Kalipes. 13-5. 5 minutes and 37 seconds. For 2, wala. Rebound by Pat. To Kalipes, to number 5, take it 2, wala. 2 points, DP, Andal, 15-5. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. San Andres, Looper, wala. Rebound by number 4. Last possession niya before change. Last possession before change. 15-5. In favor of Team B. Take it 3. Wala. Buwan ni number 5. Last possession niya before change. Number 5. Wala. Rebound ni number 4.